Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well at your homes and you all are staying happy as always. So guys, I welcome you again on our channel with a new interesting video where today's video will be very interesting because I will be sharing again a Mac OS trick with you, and I know that if you apply that trick on your Mac, then you will get to know that why Macs are very useful, why Mac OS is the best operating system in the world in front of Windows. So without any further ado, let's start our video. And before starting off the video, I would like to make a huge request to all of you guys that if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon next to it so that you all will get updated with all the latest technologies from 24/7 Apple, and you will be updated with all the news, updates, tricks and much more. So if you have not done that, please do it now. So in Mac, like suppose I will start by giving an example. Like suppose if you are a student and like suppose you are making so many projects, and like for those projects you have to download the images from the Google. Like suppose sometimes in Google, like images are in the format of web, means WEBP, which is called web. Like sometimes in the form of PNG, and sometimes it is in the form of GIF, or like it is in the form of extension of like HEIC. So like if you want to convert those images into JPEG or PNG, so how you can do that? So like for converting like those extensions, like we go on Google and like we search many websites like which can convert those images from from different extensions to PNG or to JPEG file. But now if you are a Mac user and you are using a Mac OS, so you don't have to go on any website, because in macOS it's the feature is already available. Because guys, like I am using a Mac for 3 years now, like at this time I got to know about this feature. Like it's a joke that since 3 years I was not known about this feature, but now I got to know about this feature, my life has become like very easy and very useful. So now I will show you how you can convert the images like from the different extension to JPEG or to PNG on your Mac without any website or like without any paid software. How you can do that? So firstly, you have to like download any image. Like as you can see on my screen that I am using a particular image on my Mac. So as you can see that like that particular image is in the form of HEIC format. Now if I want to convert this image into JPEG or PNG, how I can do that? See the video properly. So firstly, what you have to do is that you have to click on that photo, then you have to do a right click on your trackpad. I showed you in the macOS tutorial how you have to use a right click. If you don't know, then watch my macOS tutorial video. It's in the form of playlist. Watch those videos and you will get to know about all the macOS gestures, trackpad and everything. So you have to do a right click, or you can press a command I. So like after clicking a right click on your trackpad, you will see an option called quick actions. So what you have to do is that you have to click on quick actions. Then from there you will see an option called convert image. When you click on convert image, so you will see different options that from which extension you have to convert to which extension. Like suppose my image is in HEIC format, I want to convert this image into JPEG format. So you have to just select from HEIC to JPEG, and when you will click on OK, then your image will be converted from HEIC to JPEG format. And the interesting point is that your old original photo, which is in form of HEIC format, that format like the photo will be stored in that format also, and your photo will also be stored in the form of JPEG also, so that like according to like different websites or like different softwares, you can use both the extensions. So this is a very great thing on the Mac OS. So guys, as you have seen that it's very easy to convert images on your Mac. Like now we don't need to go on any website, like we don't have to pay any softwares, like we don't have to do anything, because it's available in our Mac for a free. So you should all use this feature, and I hope that this feature will be very useful for you guys, because this feature is that feature that you will be using daily in your laptops for your projects, or like for like if you're a graphic designer, or like if you use images very effectively. So this feature will be very useful for you guys. So guys, this is a video about all this Mac OS feature, and I hope that you all like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to also to share this video to more users so that they can also get to know about this interesting feature. So it's your responsibility now that you have to share this video to so many people, so that they can also get to know about this feature. So if you have done that, so I will meet you guys in the next interesting video.